Seiko Astron, the world's first GPS solar watch. Using just the power of light, Astron GPS Solar communicates with the GPS network and adjusts to the local time in every time zone on Earth. Now, the world's first GPS solar watch advances to a new level of high performance. The new Astron 5X series, the most advanced ever. High-speed time zone adjustment, time transfer function, automatic synchronization to the exact time, extremely compact size. High-speed time zone adjustment. Every component in the GPS module has been re-engineered to enhance the speed and quality of the GPS connection. When it has identified the time zone, Caliber 5X changes instantly to the correct local time, thanks to 3 independent motors that move the hour, minute, and second hands separately. A completely new caliber with high-speed time zone adjustment. Time transfer function. Just press the 2 buttons simultaneously, and the time transfer function allows you to switch simply and instantly the display of home and destination times between the main dial and the sub-dial. The perfect timepiece for the global traveler. Automatic synchronization to the exact time. To maintain its high accuracy, Caliber 5X even connects to the satellite network automatically. Once a day, when the watch senses sunlight, it connects to the GPS network and adjusts to the exact time. If the watch does not detect sufficient light, it uses the time of the last successful connection to start the time adjustment. Atomic clock precision automatically. Extremely compact size. The new Astron 5X series is the world's smallest and thinnest GPS solar watch. It's just 42.9 millimeters in diameter and 12.2 millimeters in depth. Slim, compact, and easy to wear. A new chapter in the history of Astron GPS solar technology opens. The new Astron 5X series, the most advanced.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. as you fade away, as you fade away.